Hello, my name is Tyler. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to clean the dough roller to make sure we're keeping our hands safe and make sure we're not touching any parts while they're moving. So first and foremost, the most important thing you're going to do when you clean the machine is make sure the machine is off at all times and if necessary to unplug it. So the first step of cleaning the machine is to turn the machine off. The next step would be to unscrew any visible screws to make sure you can take the guard off and start wiping down any rollers. I've already loosened these just so I can take them off and then remove the guard. From there, you can use a dough scraper to get any excess dough out from in between the crack, just like so. The next step will be to take a busboy or a rag with sanitizer on it just to wipe down any parts that food touches, just to make sure we're keeping as food safe as possible. So obviously you just take the rag and wipe down the roller and any visible part that you can't get to with the guard on. If necessary, you can move your hands away from the machine to get to the other side of the roller and then just toggle it off and back on, and then now I have access to the other side to wipe down whatever I missed before. You can do this multiple times if necessary. So depending on when you're cleaning the machine, whether it be at nighttime or during the day, if we're using sanitizer, obviously we want to go back to immediately using this. We want to dry it off first to prevent bacteria buildup. So you just take a dry busboy or dry rag and then wipe down any visible parts just like we did with the wet one. Once again, toggling it if necessary to get to the other side of the machine. So the last step would obviously be to pick up the guard and clean the guard inside and out. Just make sure we're getting all the way where we can't touch before we put it back on. And then we will place the guard back into place and screw it back in. And then from there, you're all done. You can just put it back into place if you moved it, or you can just use it.